Airline fares. If in the carrier code box airline code is given, that means these fares are airline fares. Now I'll show you in the fare sheet. Now here we have the fares from New York to Frankfurt, and this one is the carrier code box. And what the rule says, if in the carrier code box airline code is given, that means these fares are airline fares. So we have to consider, when airline fares are given, then obviously we have to consider the airline fares. Now from New York to Frankfurt we have AC means Air Canada fares, and then next is SQ means Singapore Airlines fares. If both airlines and IATA fares are given, in that case first priority we have to give to the airline fares. When choosing a fare from the origin to the destination, and there are list of fares that vary by carrier, you need to identify the significant or predominant carrier. If the significant carrier has no fare of its own, then we can use the IATA fares. These airline fares are further divided into primary normal fares and secondary normal fares.